How's it going, everybody? Happy iPhone Day Part 2. A couple weeks ago, Apple launched the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. Today, they are launching the 12 Mini and 12 Pro Max. I have the 12 Pro Max right here in beautiful gold, and we're going to unbox it today, take a look at it, and compare it to every other iPhone, pretty much. In a previous video, we checked out the 12 and 12 Mini, and we're going to compare that to this phone along with the current 11 Pro Max and then the original iPhone X and XS. That size is gone this year. So we got a couple interesting things. So there's a lot to check out. Let's go ahead and get started. Fun fact, this is the 5th iPhone Apple has launched this year. They had the new SE and then the 4 new phones that just announced a couple weeks ago. So take a look at the box. It's black for Pro. They always have the black box for Pros. They did that last year. We got the gold here, so we have a gold wallpaper with a gold bezel around the side. On the side it says iPhone in the same color, but you'll notice the box is very, very thin. Why? Because Apple got rid of two things, the power brick, which they talked about, and the headphones, which they didn't talk about. So all you get in this box is a power cable and an iPhone. It's cool that Apple's wanting to help save the planet by doing that. But the thing that bugs me a little bit about this is that the power cable is Lightning to USB-C. Unless you bought the iPhone 11 Pro last year, or you have a Mac or an iPad Pro, you're not going to have a power adapter that works with this cable. So hopefully you have a cable, otherwise you have to buy an adapter. So let's go ahead and open this up. And there it is. The box is matte black, which is pretty awesome. I also picked up a couple of accessories along with it. I got the leather case. I've never actually gotten a leather case for the iPhone before, but I wanted to get this one because it dents from the MagSafe. I know that may not sound good, but it looks actually kind of cool, so I like that. I also got the MagSafe charger, which is pretty much an Apple Watch charger, but a lot bigger, so we'll take a look at that in a minute as well. So here we go. Here is the phone. And inside the box we have an indentation for the camera, and it is upside down to reveal the color. This is actually gold, but you may not think it's gold. It looks somewhat white, but if you do compare it to the other white, it does look a lot more different. So there it is sitting right there. It's actually kind of cool. The camera looks like it's floating almost that way. So that's cool. We got a pull tab right here. It shows a power right there. So that's your charging port under there. Turning it over, we have our mute switch, volume up and down, and power, in case you don't know where that is. Peel this off. You're using a paper sticker this year rather than plastic, so it's a little bit better for the environment, I guess. And there it is. It feels about the same as the current 11 Pro Max. Just very briefly here, side-by-side comparison, about the same size. But of course we do get our squared off corners, which I love. I love the look of those square corners. But if you take a look at the gold right here, you can see it's fingerprint magnet. Supposedly they did something with the gold model specifically, so it has less fingerprints than like the silver or any of the other colors, but I love the look of this gold. It's the closest gold color that I've really seen on any Apple product. Even their other gold iPhones don't quite look gold, but this one looks like a true bar of gold. It looks awesome. The back is more of a cream white almost. It's not quite a gold, and it's not quite a white either. Just for comparison, here's the 12 Mini in white, and then here is the gold. So it's definitely not white, but it's not quite gold like it is on the edges either. So keep that in mind. It's gold, but it's not as gold as the edges, but I think it looks pretty good. Anyway, we also have in the box our Lightning to USB-C cable. That was something you had to buy before, so it's nice that they include that now. And then we also have our documentation in this square little packet. I got the unlocked version, so it includes a SIM removal tool. We also got some iPhone information and one single sticker. Fun fact about the sticker, this is the biggest sticker of any iPhone because it is the biggest iPhone. Let's take a look real quick at the accessories. Here is the case for the phone. This is the leather case. And inside here, we got the case right there. Looks pretty cool. And we have some instructions right there on how to insert it into your phone there. On this side, it says this case is made with high quality, supple leather to protect your iPhone. Leather is a natural material, and like a fine leather belt, it may show creases, marks, or patina over time. And right here it also says interaction with MagSafe accessories will leave slight imprints. So that's interesting to know. And we also have some other information. But the important thing about cases made by Apple for this phone is that it supports MagSafe. If we look at the circle in there, you can see that that is for the MagSafe. Some other cases you may get may not work with the MagSafe because it has to have that pass-through. So that looks pretty cool. I like the metal buttons. I think that's pretty nice. So let's take a look at the MagSafe charger here. Unfolding it, we have our giant puck right here. Let's push that out. And there you go. It's aluminum on this side, and we've got the white plastic over here. It looks pretty similar to an Apple Watch charger. Here's an Apple Watch charger. They look pretty similar. They're both, this one's stainless steel, this one's aluminum on the back. But they look pretty similar. And then on the case, you can see we have the circle for the magnet. That just goes right onto there, just like that. And it's pretty good. It's not the strongest. It's fairly light, weak magnets, but it's not bad. So far I don't see any imprints from the charging, but that will probably show up over time. So let's compare the 12 Pro Max to some of the other phones. So this is the biggest phone that Apple makes. Here is the 11 Pro Max, which is fairly similar in size. The screen size is a little bit different, only because the phone is slightly larger as well. We've also got the iPhone 12, which is the exact same size as the 12 Pro and the 11 and the 10R. We also have the 10S right here, and then we have the 12 mini right there. And there we go. That is our iPhone lineup. As of 2 days ago, you could still pick up the 12 mini in store today on launch day. So it seems like it's not as popular. The 12 Pro, on the other hand, has been pretty popular. It sold out pretty fast. So you don't know. Maybe this eventually will become more popular as time goes on and people start upgrading. People who are Apple enthusiasts probably aren't going to be getting the cheapest, smallest iPhone, but it has the possibility to be very popular. I really like this gold. I love the look of it, and I'm super excited to be using this phone. So let me know what you want to see with this iPhone. I'm really excited to make some other videos in the future, and I'm pretty excited to test 5G and the charging puck. So let me know what you want to see in the future. But thank you for watching our quick unboxing and overview of all the iPhones. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark, and I'll see you in the next one.